topic technological advances and improvements in water use efficiency from 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. We'll be having a tea break in between and we'll leave it on to our chairman to decide when it needs to take place. The objective of the panel discussion on technological advances and improvement in water use efficiency is to bring to the table various technological developments that have taken place in the last 20 years in various domains of science, agronomic, bioengineering, communications, computations, space observations, meteorological, and nanotechnology that are the tools that could be adopted to improve water use efficiency in agriculture, industrial, and domestic use. Besides the panel discussion, there will be a presentation by Mr. A. Gurunathan from Dhan Foundation, Madurai, our platinum sponsors. We have eminent panelists for this session. The session would be chaired by Sri A.C. Tyagi. He is presently the Secretary General of the International Commission on Irrigation and Drainage. Prior to this, he has served as Director of the Climate and Water Department of the World Meteorological Organization, a UN specialized agency, for 9 years. An Indian water management expert, he has worked for over 28 years in India and was Commissioner of Policy and Planning in the Union Ministry of Water Resources, Government of India, before he joined the WMO in 2003. Mr. Tyagi is an ardent advocate of multidisciplinary collaboration for solving complex development challenges, a continuing dialogue among various stakeholders, and community participation in the water sector. The other panelists of this session are Sri R.D. Singh from National Institute of Hydrology, Roorkee, a premier research institute of Ministry of Water Resources. Sri Singh heads the institute as its director. He has research and development experience of more than 32 years in different areas of hydrology and water resources. He has published more than 275 research papers. Our second panelist is Sri R.K. Gupta, Chief Engineer from Central Water Commission. Sri Gupta has served the Central Water Commission for a time span of 30 years in various capacities. He has rich experience of working in design, planning, and investigation of water resources projects. And now, I would request our chairman, Mr. A.C. Tyagi, to please proceed ahead with the panel discussion. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Good morning, everybody. It's my great pleasure to be here on India Water Week 2013, which is the second edition of India Water Week, and be the chair of this panel discussion. It's very heartening to see how very quickly India Water Week has evolved. We started last year, and it was a kind of a format which was very general as in terms of more of a technical nature, but slowly we have, and the organizers have moved to a format in which we have a number of panel discussions and brainstorming sessions. And from that perspective, I think it is very important that we very clearly distinguish between a normal seminar where we make presentations and then have some question and answers. And this is a panel discussion where although the panel is very small, we would like to see that you become the member of that panel itself, because we perhaps will not be really having shortage of time, and you will be able to participate at your maximum and contribute to the topic. As far as the time management is concerned, as has already been announced, I will be making a presentation around 20 to 30 minutes, and since the small panel, so I have taken the liberty to go to 30 on the higher side. After that, the two panelists, in fact, I will say that the three panelists, and I will request the representative from Dhan Foundation to also please join us here. Please take. So we are the three panelists, and why I'm saying that is Dhan Foundation, although they have been given this slot here as a sponsor, but they have been doing the real work of taking technology to the field, basically. So from that perspective, I don't consider them to be just being presenting here as a sponsor.